Take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci. No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby.
What it do, my angels? I hope you guys enjoyed the morning. Well, I guess it was afternoon montage. We went to the beach. It was a nice little relaxed vibe. It's been a long weekend. But today we're headed out again. So these vlogs have been very eventful, and I'm glad that we're going out and really getting good footage and content for you guys, because that is the plan. So yeah, tonight we're headed back to Miami. To be honest, I don't know what we're doing, but I'm gonna go along for the ride, and we'll see you when we get there. Excuse me, sorry. So yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys before you guys just start seeing things. You don't know what's happening. I don't really like to do that to you guys, so if I do that at all, I apologize in advance. But I always want to come in and say like what's about to happen, so it's not just like random stuff going on. So I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, so we reach. We're headed in just a bit.
That's how we do the continuous vibe. Non-stop.
Alright guys, on to the next location, and it is 1:41 a.m. Right. But I'm actually okay today. I'm not tired. I don't feel like, exhausted. I'm chilling. We're doing this. We're actually going back to the Dante Hi-Fi that we went to a few nights ago. If you guys have been watching, keeping up. Cool. So yeah, stop being mean.
Okay. And just drape me in Gucci. No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you.
All right, guys. I didn't even vlog at all in Dante's Hi-Fi, but we were there for like what, 15-20 minutes. Now we're going to Liv, so I'll see you guys there. And it is after 2 o'clock. Yeah.
Ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci. No, all I ever asked.
So guys, we saw Meek Mill walk into Liv, and I'm waiting to see if I see any other stars. I didn't catch them because it was so quick, y'all. I'm so sorry. But I'm trying to wait and see if they're like anybody else kind of like walks up. Fingers crossed. Hey guys, we're at
Having fun? Having fun?
Boy, you can go stop playing games.